To fix a Frigidaire dishwasher that is not drying dishes, start by checking the dishwasher's settings and options. Ensure that the heat dry or sanitize option is selected, as this will help to improve drying performance. Also, check if the rinse aid is working properly, as a low rinse aid level can cause poor drying. Next, inspect the dishwasher's filter and clean it if necessary. A clogged filter can reduce water flow and prevent the dishwasher from heating properly, leading to poor drying. Check the user manual for the location of the filter and the recommended cleaning procedure. Another possible cause of poor drying is a faulty heating element. If the heating element is not working, the water will not be heated to the optimal temperature for drying. Check the user manual for troubleshooting steps specific to your model, or contact a professional for assistance. Additionally, check the dishwasher's drain hose for kinks or blockages. A kinked or blocked drain hose can prevent the dishwasher from draining properly, leading to poor drying. Straighten or replace the drain hose as needed to ensure proper drainage. It is also important to check the dishwasher's ventilation system. Ensure that the vent is not blocked and that the dishwasher is installed in a well-ventilated area. Proper ventilation is essential for effective drying. Finally, check the dishwasher's age and maintenance history. If the dishwasher is old or has not been properly maintained, it may be time to consider replacing it. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the filter and checking the drain hose, can help to extend the life of the dishwasher and prevent drying issues. By following these steps, you can easily troubleshoot and fix a Frigidaire dishwasher that is not drying dishes. Remember to always consult the user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular model.